Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Boo here again, and today I'm going to cover how we traded AMD in the chat. Alright, so today we traded AMD, or at least this was one of the bigger ones we traded, but I covered this one very heavily both in the pre-market stream and a little bit before market open in the stream and voice chat, as well as when we traded during the live market hours in the voice chat. I was streaming my screen and stuff like that. But I just want to go back through it and cover how I found the levels that I found to play with and all that good stuff. So all I do is I go through with the TA routine. If you want to check this out, this is on my channel. You just have to go over to the playlist. It's just the TA routine, technical analysis routine. And how it starts is you mark with emerging candles that move into new areas with high volume. So I started marking a lot of those. And those are sometimes always some of the greatest candle movers, just for one, breakouts, but two, targets as well. You know, if you're already in like kind of an open plain area and your price is already breaking out, you don't really have a good target. A lot of the time, emerging candles end up being there for you, unless you're in new areas with no highs. You know, where it is the new all-time high, then you won't have any of these to help you with. So. Let's just zoom in. So I kind of marked all the most ones. I'm just trying to mark the ones around current price just because I'm trying to localize it. And then I also noticed this resistance here that covers a lot of emerging candles. So let's zoom in on that, which ended up marking the top of that. And then I applied my BB system, which we covered in the pre-market system. We were saying above 84s is what we were going to end up playing. As you can see, price did end up pushing out, slowing down, end up coming back down and holding on top of that level you saw me mark on the daily time frame perfectly, as well as the pre-market low, which is a very big thing for us. So applying our BB system and the bigger picture with the TA routine, we're giving ourselves a higher probability of success here. So we waited for dip buy. We didn't get in quite yet. We got in on the top of this candle when it started pushing, broke out. We got in before 84, ended up using a doji for continuation. And we had rising volume on the 5-minute. We switched over to the 10-minute to keep ourselves in the trade. Closed at 85.16. We were happy to call out, take profit. Ended up even pushing up to 85.60 to another level. So as you can see, we utilized bigger time frame levels for both breakout and entry. And we applied the BB system for the smaller time frames to help us cover the more close price action. Because with that, you get to mark the previous day low, the previous day high, and the pre-market system, and now you have extra levels tacked on, and we had all of that information before the market even opened today. If you don't believe me, you can go check out the BB stream as well. That's public, but we're trying to do that every day for pre-market. So far, so good. Hope to find some more plays like that, but I just really wanted to have a small, nice video for the channel just to cover, how you can use bigger and smaller time frames to help you have higher probability of success behind these trades. And another big thing is too is I don't have any indicators on my screen. I went through all that with just volume and levels. That's just pure price action. In the chat, we'll sometimes talk and break down times and sales in level 2, but this is the basic, simple, and very effective form of how we trade in my chat. So I hope to see you guys in there. If you guys like this video, please drop a comment. Let me know what you liked about it, what tickers you want to see next. And yeah, see you on the next one. Thank you, everybody.